Welcome to the shop. We got a special show for you today. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so I think I'm going to do something really special, some really intricate woodworking, probably something that's just top notch. Let's do some fun stuff.
Can I help?
Yeah, great idea, Jessica.
Can I help?
Yeah, great idea, Riley.
Can I help?
Yeah, sweet. This is going to be awesome. Can I help? This is going to be a party.
Can I help?
Absolutely. This is going to be so much fun. So maybe we shouldn't do the most complex project in the world. What would you guys like to do?
We're making picture books!
Whoa, great idea, guys. I guess we're ready. I guess so. You need some help opening yours, Roro? All right, let's get them open.
Hey guys, look, it comes with screens.
Ooh!
Awesome.
Pretty blue. Oh, uh-oh. It looks like we've got some nails, Dad. What should we do?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Where did this come from?
Oh, can
Magic.
I have that? Can I
Genie
have
magic.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's magic! Whoa, baby!
Be safe. Be safe. Don't need anybody getting hurt. It's not our Valentine's present.
What?
Okay. So,
Alright,
Yeah.
instrucciones.
I also need screwdrivers.
I'll get that when we need it.
That's my hammer. I don't have a hammer. Where's yours?
Stop there. Okay, let's get another one. Put another nail
Oopsie. I nailed it into the...
in. You nailed it to the CNC.
Yes!
Hold on.
Fix it.
Hold on. Let's cut it out.
Time to be punched with a hammer! Oh wait guys, let's all hammer at sync.
Same.
Snap the thing. You're doing that.
The slot.
I
Aligned
was
screw
reading.
holes
I was
in the
reading the one in
frame, top
Spanish.
and frame. Did you put a nail in there and hammer it in?
Oh yeah, all by myself. You needed a screw.
All by myself. Yes, you did that all by yourself.
Yep.
No, don't do it again.
That's not good.
We can just make them and then take the pictures and show finished product later. Yeah. got it. This is not the proper use of a Havalon.
But one of the many uses.
But one of the many uses.
Wait, watch.
Nail removal. Improper use of a skinning blade used in a workshop.
Watch this.
Okay, let's do screws
No, watch
this
this.
time, dude.
Everybody.
You got a screw?
I'm watching. I'm watching. Just do
I
it.
said everybody.
Just do it.
Oh.
So satisfying.
Oh, dude. You are not a framer. You do not get to hammer screws. We use the right tool. Yes, I use a blade to cut it.
Oh, guys,
And then
it
the picture
gets
goes between.
satisfying again. Oh, the satisfaction.
Let's push down and twist. You'll be pushing down.
Oh.
Last one.
It's screwed in all the way already, dude. You're gonna have to take them out eventually.
Has that ever happened, Dad? Has that ever happened in your videos?
Yes, it scared me so bad the first time it happened. We're
If
gonna
you
see.
are confused with this, this
He's got it figured out.
is how you do it.
This is how we do it.
Together.
Copywritten.
Satire, fair use. Booyah!
Has to be funny.
Florida! And it's
Nothing I do is funny.
and
That's
it's
the truth.
Common sense. Want to see a more beautiful picture?
Isn't that?
What's this? It's not even close. Oh, O'Reilly's Auto Parts.
Guys,
Mine's got not going in.
is tan a Valentine's Day color?
No! To be pink!
Okay, Rowan,
Guess they need to be pink.
here is your official build and grow. Here.
Hey! Where are these from?
Lowe's.
No! These are from Home Depot.
Well, he's a Lowe's builder, so
Congratulations.
leave him a Lowe's. And
Congratulations, Lowe's builder. You are now Home Depot certified.
Maybe
That's a
he's
low blow.
low tools building. Yeah.
I am literally going to put this Home Depot
already-
pin on his Lowe's.
Oh.
I hope this gives you guys an insight of how many puns he makes at home. Everyone else cannot resist trying to make a pun.
Do you say
He needs help.
Do you say I punish my children too much?
Please, if you know someone who is struggling with this addiction, get help.
No, I like it.
You are in the same boat. Are you painting it, Rowan?
Oh.
You have to paint it before you put on a sticker if you want to paint it.
Yeah. Oh. It's common logic. You mean common sense?
That's right.
You know that's right.
In Spanish.
The first bad guy.
Oh, guys, we have gold.
We have gold. Gold, gold, gold. What is it? Instead of pink.
You've struck gold.
Blue.
Green.
You gotta shake it for days, dude.
Okay, pull out Valentine's Day colors. Do you have scissors?
Have a lawn.
Play it.
Thank you.
That's outside the box.
It is.
He is taping the outside of the box.
What color is the tape?
Red.
It works.
Dad,
You are using
I just play it.
duct tape to finish wood. I think there's a new finish that is worse for wood than paint. Riker, hold on. How much paint should we use? Just a dab of paint.
This is
No.
paint.
Wait, this one.
If you unsubscribe,
No,
I
that thing is
understand.
right, but no.
All right, so we got everything painted, mostly spray paint. All we need to do now is take some pictures to put in there for Mom. Once the paint's done drying, we're gonna put all these wonderful stickers all over them and really holiday them up. Rowan, what colors did you paint yours?
Gold.
Gold. Awesome.
And wait.
Oh, I bet Mom's gonna love the gold, huh?
And then green.
Oh, you did white and green on the inside. That's right.
Yep.
Good job. It looks awesome. Justin, what about you?
I painted mine silver with a red top and a red heart on the back. Jess, what'd you make?
I did a lot of layers. It's not even dry. So I did mostly blue. I did my top gold and silver, and then my bottom just gold. That's not done dry. Right? And we know what you did? Okay, so I did red sides, a silver front, and a gold back. What about you, Riker?
So I did my entire box with red duct tape, and then I spray painted a white heart over it, and then I didn't do anything on the front except for put stickers on it.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody, especially to my sweets.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Probably be yesterday by the time this gets
Justin,
published.
let's get happy in the Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh no! Oh no!
Riker!
Oh.
Hope you
Yes.
all have a dab of Valentine's cheer.